Hi! In front of me is Motorola Defy, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Apple Layout on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in iOS Launcher and install this free app, this one, from this developer. Then select Open. Now wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, choose while using the app and allow in all of them. Then choose Home button. Now you need to click on iOS Launcher, Setup Always, and click on OK in the pop-up. Lastly, just got it! As you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my Motorola. But you can always switch between your layouts by going into Settings, choosing Apps and Notifications, clicking on Advanced and tapping on Default Apps. Now click on Home app and tap on Moto app to go back into your default one. If you wish to go back to iOS, just click on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!